Maraming tao nagkakaroon ng problema financially. At pag titignan mo yung reason bakit, majority because gusto ng shortcut. Gusto ng mabilisan. Ayaw ng pagdaanan yung actual process.
But what are the learnings? Sabi mo nga, let's get right down to it. Ano yung mga aral na mapupulot?
Talk about financial abundance, for example. Ayaw pagdaanan yung proseso pagdating sa pera. This is also the same reason why, based on statistics, sir, and Ma'am Roxanne, no? Bakit majority of lotto winners, yung based on statistics, mas after 1-2 years, nauubos yung pera nila. Hindi nagiging sustainable. Bakit? Kasi nakuha man nila yung pera agad-agad, pero hindi nila natutunan paano siya i-manage, paano siya i-keep, kasi nga mabilisan siyang nakuha.
Mabilis ang nakuha, mabilis ang ding naubos.
Nawala.
Pero if you would go with that formula or equation, mabilis makuha, mabilis makawaldas, or yung end goal